Hello friends, installing a 10-inch Android screen in a Jeep Cherokee. So this is the old head unit I have took out. This was the main face. So pretty easy to remove this head unit. First take this AC control panel out. There is 2 screws. Take them out and you can just take this front panel out. 4 screws here holding this. Take this out. So we have this harness which is plug and play to this. Plug this in there. We'll install GPS antenna, radio antenna adapter. So that's how simple it is to replace an 10-inch Android screen with your old head unit here. So I'll show you in a while how to do all the steering wheel control programming. So let me finish this installation first. So here is the wiring. This is our main connector. This is the multimedia connector. So this aux cables, white and red one coming from here, so it will go in aux right in and aux left in of this multimedia connector. And you want to secure rest of these connectors here. Microphone, if you want to connect external microphone, in this case we don't have external microphone, so we're just gonna leave it blank as well. So this is our USB connector. So this car has a factory USB here, so we can use this one. So this connector available as well to connect. And then this is the radio antenna here. So this is the camera connector, reverse camera. First you'll connect this one at this side and this yellow male connector coming from this main harness here, this one here. So you can hook up your factory camera as well with this, and then we'll connect just this GPS connector and we'll put it back. One thing, do not forget to move this hazard button from this panel to that one there and also these air vents. Now we'll take these connectors out and shift all one by one there. So yeah, better to do this before doing all that wiring there, so we'll save a lot of time. Our reverse camera working as well. And light moves with steering. So it's all done. Now we'll do the canvas settings, car setting, factory setting. So it could be 16, 17 or 4, 8. 8 times 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Go to protocol settings, race, Jeep, 16 to 19, free light, low. So select that. Once you select that, then press save. I already done, and I will check if my steering wheel buttons are working. So volume working, mode button is working, same next and previous working as well. So yeah, about 30-minute job, really easy to install. And if you want to buy this product, the link is below in the video, and it's I think free shipping all over Australia. Thanks for watching video, and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.